Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to see who visited your LinkedIn profile. So let's start and go to your LinkedIn profile menu. On the top right, click your profile icon and view profile. After that, scroll down and look for analytics. And as you find the analytics, you will see the profile views. Then select and click. And through the section, you will see who viewed your profile for the past 90 days. And aside from that, you can also see your followers, search appearances, and more options with analytics. And that is how to know who viewed your profile on LinkedIn using PC. So now let's see how we can see that using mobile phone. Open your LinkedIn account on mobile. Now on the top left corner of the screen, tap your profile icon. Scroll down and look for analytics. And tap view all analytics. And that's it. That is how to know who viewed your LinkedIn profile. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.